हेलो हेल्थ वेरीज, चलिए आज ब्रेड बनाते हैं एंड दिस इज़ अ होल व्हीट sourdough bread and I have prepared two versions, one on tawa and one in my air fryer. One is baked version in air fryer and both whole wheat sourdough starter breads were absolutely delicious. And what makes them delicious is here. This is the twist. 1/4 cup of dhania pudina chutney without tamarind, sweetened with dates, and I have already shared the recipe. 1/4 teaspoon salt goes in, and then we'll need 2 tablespoons of whole wheat sourdough starter, and I've already shared the entire series of making your whole wheat sourdough starter at home in India. Do check out that series. I have shared a detailed day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 series, so do check it out. Mix it well and you will see that I am in a habit of making different versions of sourdough breads, but this is my experimentation spree. Now add half cup of whole wheat flour, mix well, and we are not kneading it, just mixing it with a spoon or spatula, and then grease with 1 teaspoon of oil. Not too much, the bread does not need a lot of oil or fat, and this bread tastes so delicious because I had sweetened it with dates, so this is absolutely whole food. And then I had used chutney in this recipe, which lifted the flavor of this bread to another level. Now refrigerate for 6 to 12 hours, and I refrigerated it for 8 hours. And after that you will need to divide it into 2 parts, since I baked 2 versions. One was baked and another one on tawa, just like the pita bread. So I divided it into 2, baked the Turkish pide. Another one was a pita bread, more like a pita bread, but it is not completely pita. Now pull from all corners inside, make a ball, push and pull, spread on flat on a greased baking tray, or you can use a rolling pin as well. I'm gently pressing it with my hands. Now if you want to bake it, look at the design that I am trying to make indentations around 1 inch from the edges of the border, and use any filling. I simply sprinkle chia seeds in the inner layer, so you can use any filling of choice. Preheat your oven air fry OTG convection to 180 degrees for 10 minutes at this time, and you can keep the bread aside for half an hour like this, and then preheat your oven air fry convection OTG for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And then you'll need to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or longer. You know your air fryer or appliance better, so please check the bread after 12 minutes. And this is how our beauty looks like, absolutely delicious with chutney. Now let's make the pita bread. Roll it out on a rolling pin and then put it on a tawa, flip sides, and you'll need to make it just like you make a paranta or roti. It tastes absolutely yum, so you must try out sourdough recipes. If you are yet to try out sourdough, this is one of the healthiest ways to enjoy bread. If you have a family of bread lovers, then you must try out sourdough breads, which are chemical free and are easier to digest. So do try out healthier breads at home, healthier whole wheat whole grain breads, and I'll soon be posting bread recipes with millets and gluten-free breads as well. And this is how our bread looks like from the inside, perfectly cooked. And look at this, amazing, है ना?